Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. Now, thanks to your feedback and all the overwhelming love and suggestions that you've given us, we've come up with a whole bunch of new recipes. I'm Rashmi Naik, and along with some of the best loved chefs, we're going to give you a brand new recipe for every single school day. So today we're going to make spinach dumplings. Now I can assure you this dish is going to be devoured by your kids in no time, and they're going to ask for more. So come along and let's make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. To start with, I'm going to turn the steamer on. Now into a bowl, I'm going to add 3 cups of spinach. And to this, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of paneer. Now the good thing about this spinach is it is really good in reducing tiredness and fatigue, and with school-going children, it comes especially handy. Now into this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, and I'm going to add a pinch of salt. A pinch of baking powder goes in, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Now, green chillies are optional. All I need to do is just mix this well. So if you squeeze the water out of the spinach well, you're going to find it much easier to make the dumplings. And you can shape about 10 to 12 dumplings in a batch like this. And now I'm going to put this in the steamer and let it steam for about 5 to 6 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to get the sauce ready. Now to this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, and I have a 1/4 cup of chopped onions, which I'm going to add to this. This is one of those dishes that you can make very quickly. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic. And now I've pureed 1 cup of carrots, which you add to this. I'm going to add a 1/4 spoon of pepper, a 1/4 spoon of chili flakes as well. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Kissan Tomato Ketchup. Now, what the ketchup is really going to do is add that burst of flavor, and it's going to sort of bring the whole dish together. So in goes 2 tablespoons of the ketchup, and I'm going to toss this well. So it's ready now. I'm going to add some cheese. Now again, this is optional. If you want to, you can add a little bit of milk, and to end with, just a pinch of salt. And there it is, your sauce is ready. And now I'm going to let this cool for a few minutes and pack my child's tiffin box. So this is ready to be served now, and I'm going to first put the sauce in. It's not runny at all, so which is great. And once I've put the sauce, I'm going to place the spinach dumpling on it. And now we just add the sides to this. We have some walnuts and pistas and some nicely cut watermelon. The tiffin worry for today is all sorted. Please subscribe to India Food Network for more recipes like this, and I'll be back to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.